Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to start a new chapter, lesson number 2, Roman numerals. Do you know where we use Roman numerals? So, firstly, I tell you where we use in our daily life Roman numerals. Firstly, you have seen the watches. In some watches, you will see the numbers are written in Roman form. These are Roman numbers. Even if you see the clock, some clock having the dials in Roman numbers, like 12 will be written like this manner. This is a Roman numeral, clear? And if it is written 1, 2, 3, that numbers we call Hindu Arabic, clear? Numbers we call Hindu Arabic numerals, clear? Now we use Roman numeral in the book chapter name also, number also. See the chapter number. It is written V. V means 5. It is a chapter number 5. If you see the content number, it is also written in Roman numerals. There are few more examples like important events like World War One. Here 1 is not written like this one. It is written like I. This is a Roman number and it means first. World War Second. It is also written 2 like this manner. Clear? Even if you see the classes plates which are hanging outside of your class, that's plates having the numbers which are written in a Roman numeral like ID. ID means first D. 2IB means second B. 3A is fourth C is written in a Roman numeral. Fourth E is means class plates all are written in Roman numeral only. So if there are so many uses of Roman numerals, then there are some rules also how to write Roman numerals. So I will tell you the rules first. In Roman numerals, there are basically 7 basic Roman numerals. Means for 1 we use I, for V is for 5, X is for 10, I is for 50. It is not I, it is L. L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500 and M is for 1000. But student, there is no Roman number for 0. Clear? And it is not used in the place value concept also. Now there are more rules like the symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. If I want to repeat I can repeat I maximum 3 times. I can't write I 4 times, it will be wrong. But there are some Roman numbers which we can't repeat like V, L and D. These 3 we can't repeat. Clear? Even I cannot subtract I from L. I can subtract it only like this manner. See, from V, if I want, V is for 5. If I want to subtract 1 from it, means for writing the symbol of 4, I have to subtract 1 from 5. So when I subtract, I write 1 in the left hand side. If I want to add, then I write I in the right hand side. So it becomes 4 and it becomes 6. Clear? So if the symbol is less, having less value, it should be written in front of the higher value. Then value of a number is the total of the two numbers. Means see here. I have written X. X is a bigger Roman and I. These are smaller than V. So symbol for X is 10. Then I have written, means whenever we write Roman number in a descending order, then we have to add them. 10 plus 5 plus 2, it will be 70. Clear? Now, if I write the Roman number which is having lesser value behind the higher one, means before X, if I write I, then it means I am doing minus. So 10 minus 1, it becomes 9. Clear? Now, I can't minus I and V from L and C. If you write the IC, it is wrong. C is for 100. From C, we can minus X only. Clear? So that is correct. Clear to you? L is never written to the left of C. C के left में we never write L. It is wrong. Now students, you have to make all these 3 tables in your maths copy. These are the basic Roman numerals, first 7. With the help of these 7 basic Roman numerals, we make other Roman numerals. Like 1 is I, 2 is 2. I use 1 2 times. 3 1 3 1 1 1. For 4 I use IV. For 5 we use V. V already given. 6 we make with the help of 5 and 1. 7 we use 5 and 1 2 times. 8 5 and 1 I 3 times. 9 I and X, and 10 symbol is X. Now with the help of 10 we make 11 XI. 12 also you have done in previous classes also. Till 50, 20 we make XX. 30 3 times X. 40 XL. 50 L. 60 LX, because L is for 50. 50 plus 10 60. 70 LXX. 80 LXXX. 90 XC and 100 C. Clear? You have to make all these tables in your maths copy. Now we will learn how to write Roman numbers first. Now see, to us given question, write the Roman number of 65. So I explain 65. 60 plus 5. Simple for 60. How we make 60? 50 plus 10 plus 5. Clear? It will become 60 will become 50 plus 10 plus 5. Clear? So symbol for 50 is L. Symbol for 10 is X plus V. 5 symbol is V. So we write L X V. Now 99 is made with 90 plus 9. So 90 is made by 100 minus 10. So 100 minus 10 plus 9. 100 symbol is C. And if we minus 10, 10 symbol is X. So I have to put in the left hand side. Plus 9 symbol is IX. So answer will be X C I X. Clear? Now 86. 80 plus 6. 80 is made with 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30. So symbol for 50 is L and 30 is X. X means 50, 60, 70, 80. Plus symbol of 6 is VI. So it will combine and answer will be L X X V I. Clear? Now 53. How we make 53? 50 plus 3. Symbol for 50 is L and symbol for 3 is I. So answer will be L I. Clear? We will expand the number, then our answer will come like this. Now we will learn how to write Hindu-Arabic numeral. LXXIS. Now we separate it. L is for 50. XX is for 20. IEX is for 9. If you combine, answer comes 79. Now XC. X is for 90. Plus it is for 8. Answer will be 98. Clear? Now next one, Hindu-Arabic numeral for XLV. XL is for 40, but L is for 50. 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 5. Answer is 45. Clear? Now triple X. XXX is for 30 plus 3. Answer will be 33. Clear, students? So students, today you learn how to write and read Hindu-Arabic numeral and Roman numerals. Even I told you there are 7 basic Roman numerals. With the help of that we make other Roman numerals, and we can't repeat any Roman number more than 3 times. Secondly, if we write any smaller Roman number in the left, then we subtract. If we write in the right, we add. So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.